Hi, my name's Amy and I'm a book conservator at the British Library in London. Today I'm going to teach you how to make an archival box to store your collection items safely. Before we start, you will need card, a ruler, a pencil, a knife or a scalpel, a tool to score with, a surface to cut on, some glue, some weights, and a clean flat board. Step 1. Measure the book. You will need to measure the length, depth and width of the book you want to store. I'm measuring the length of the book, which is this measurement down here. So it's 199 millimeters. The width is this measurement across here, which is 138 millimeters. And the depth is this measurement here, which is 27 millimeters. Step 2. Mark and cut the vertical card. The box is made from two pieces of card, a horizontal piece and a vertical piece. So to begin with, I just took one large piece of card and I cut it into two bits. On the vertical piece, on one of the long sides, mark off the length plus 2 millimeters, the depth plus 3 millimeters, the length plus 3 millimeters, the depth plus 4 millimeters, then the length. Do this on both sides of the card and join the points up with a pencil. On one of the short edges, mark the depth of the book, then the width, then the depth. Do this on both sides of the card and join the points up with a pencil. Now, I will mark all the card that can be cut off and remove it. Cut the tabs so that they taper. And here we are, this is the finished vertical piece. Step 3, mark and cut the horizontal card. The horizontal piece needs to be as wide as the length of the book plus 3 millimeters on the end. This time, mark off the width plus 6 millimeters, the depth plus 6 millimeters, the width plus 3 millimeters, the depth plus 7 millimeters, the width plus 6 millimeters, and then the depth. Do this on both long edges and join up the points with a pencil. Step 4. Score and fold the lines on both pieces. Step 5. Glue the two pieces together. It doesn't really matter what glue you use for this as long as it will stick card. Now stick the two pieces together by gluing the horizontal piece and placing the vertical piece on top. Cover this join with a weight and leave it for 20 minutes so the glue can set. Step 6. Create a tab and slot to secure the box. On this length here, you want to find the middle. So that's just over 10 centimeters in this case. Mark the middle. And then measure the desired length of your tab, which is entirely up to you. I'm going to do mine, mine's going to be 6 centimeters long. So I'll do 3 centimeters on either side of that mark. I'm going to cut to either side. And then just by eye, I'm going to shape my tab. Fold the box together. And on this side, mark where the tab sits. Cut a slot between these marks. It can be helpful to use a scalpel to get this little bit of card out. Once you've finished making the tab and slot, you can put your book inside the box close it up, and your book is safely stored. Now you can use the archival box for storing your collection item. Remember to label the box clearly. This tutorial is part of our online video series covering digitisation, digital preservation and conservation for the Endangered Archives programme. Please feel free to explore these resources at eap.bl.uk/training videos.